What's up, Flomies? My name is Ellie, and today we are going to learn how to do the anti-spin pinch. A prerequisite you're going to want to know for this trick is your vertical pinch. This move can be pretty involved because your star is spinning one way and you're dragging the star around in the opposite direction. So for example, I like to spin my star outwards. So as my star is spinning this way, I'm going to be dragging it around in the opposite direction this way. A good tip for this move is to imagine 4 points on a circle, and you're going to want to hit those 4 points with your star as you're bringing it around. It really helps the move look seamless and gives it a nice effect, or like a boxy effect as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is how you do the anti-spin pinch. Go ahead and give this video a like if you found it helpful, and leave any comments if you have any questions. Bye.